Hey and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I'm basically going to be decorating my fireplace mantle for the spring, and of course the first thing I'm going to do is take away everything that I have up here, wipe this nice and clean, and then get started with decorating. So the first little DIY that I'm going to do is fix this candlestick holder that I got from the thrift store. It actually broke on the way back, so I'm just going to reattach the top to the base using E6000, and then I'm going to paint both of the candlestick holders using some chalk paint. To start decorating, I'm just going to take some of my antique books that I love to decorate with, and I am going to place these down first, and then I'm just going to place a nice little vase on top of these. And then right beside this, I'm just going to use some leaves that I picked up from Walmart. Don't remember the name of these, but I think they were like $2 or $1. And then I'm going to take some of these little white roses that I picked up from Michael's, and I am going to add them inside of the leaves. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little, again, these are like little floral arrangements things that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just picked them off of what they were on originally, and I'm just going to add this into the leaves to make my own little floral arrangement. The next thing that I'm going to add is this candlestick holder that I thrifted, and just a candlestick that I got from the Dollar Tree on this side, and then on the next side I'm going to use those same leaves. I just have 2 of them this time, and I'm going to add them right here on the right hand side, and then I'm going to add those same flowers, so the white rose flowers, and then those other little, I don't even know what you call those type of flowers, but I'm going to add those in here as well. The next thing that I did was I took another little antique book and I placed that down, and then I placed this birdhouse that I DIY'd on top of it, and then I placed the other candlestick on the opposite side of my mantle. And another DIY that I'm going to do now is I'm just going to be using my Cricut machine, and I'm cutting out some letters that are going to spell out spring, and then I am going to attach them to a banner that I got from Target a while back. It was like a $3 wooden banner, super cute. So I'm just going to add the letters on there, and then I'm going to add that to the mantle as well. Also, if someone knows where I can get some really good transfer tape, let me know down below in the comments, because the one that I have currently is not the best. Alright, so that is it for my little spring mantle refresh. I literally just used everything that I already had. So this birdhouse I DIY'd. I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out. The candlesticks, I already had them from when I thrifted in the past, and I just decided to use those. This banner, did a quick little DIY with my Cricut, printed out some letters, and if you ever go into Target and you see these banners, I would highly recommend buying them. They're most of the time $3, and you can just use them for any decorations. So I love how this turned out. It's super simple. Just put some stuff up there. I hope this inspires you. If you have not decided to decorate your mantle yet for the spring, that you do so. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!